This is an instructional video on how we prepare our EvoTech 350L scooter ready for riding. If you undo the box and remove the two polystyrene protective pieces, then the scooter can then be lifted straight out of the box. And if you carefully remove the plastic bag, keep that with the packaging. So, now what we do to prepare it, basically if we put the handlebars into position first, all you do is swing them round and let them spring into place. Swing round and spring into place. To get those handlebars out again when you fold the scooter up, you'll feel on the front of the grip is a button that you press in. You press the button in, pull it out and then fold. Same with the left hand side. Now the steering column is clipped into the back mudguard, so to release that all we do is press down gently on the mudguard and on the steering column and start to lift it forward. Then if the scooter's on the floor, put your foot onto the scooter deck, or if it's on a chair or something you can just also put your knee on it. Press down on your footboard and then firmly press on top of the steering column until those two pins drop down into the two slots. You both see them and hear them click into place. And then basically your scooter is then ready for riding. To fold it up again, and bear in mind when the scooter is new, it can be a little bit stiff to start off with until it's been folded and unfolded a few times. But the best way to counteract that is, again, put a bit of pressure on the scooter deck, push forward onto the steering column of the scooter, and at the same time you push forward, press down on the purple lever, and then the scooter will easily just fold up again. You may have to just rotate the steering slightly to make it clip into the mudguard, and that's basically your folding and unfolding. Just fold it up again. The charger port is located just above the purple lever that you've used for folding, and the charger just simply plugs into there, and then your scooter is ready to ride.